Assalamu alaikum dear kids. Today our book is Initiate English Pre-Primary 2. Now open the page number 60 and unit number 7. Our topic is alphabet F. Alphabet F. Sound F. Capital letter F, small letter F. Capital letter F, small letter F. Now dear kids, look at the picture. This is our flag. Flag, 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 flower, flower, flower. This is a flower, flower, flower. Frog, 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 frog. And the children playing with football, football, football. Flag, football, flowers, fruit, frog. Flag, football, flowers, fruit, frog. Now, tell me kids, what is the children playing? What are the children playing? With football. And what is the on table? Fruits, fruits, fruits. Flag, football, frog, fruits, flower. Now the second work is word to learn. Word to learn. Word to learn. Flag, flower, football, frog, fruits. Flag, flower, football, frog, fruits. Now the flag, flower, football, frog, fruit has beginning sound. And the beginning sound is f, f, f. Letter F sound f. Letter F sound f, f. Flag, f, flower, f, football, f, frog, f, fruit. And it is letter F. Capital letter F, small letter F. Capital letter F, small letter F. Letter F sound F. Letter F sound F. Now the second work is trace. Letter F, capital letter, small letter. Capital letter F, small letter F. 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 Capital letter F, small letter F, sound 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 F. Now the page number 16 is done. Now move on next page. Page number 17 and unit number 8. Our topic is alphabet G. Alphabet G. Capital G, small g. Capital letter G, small letter g. Letter G sound G. Letter G sound G. Letter G sound G. Dear kids, look at the picture. This is an animal and it is goat. Goat, 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 goat. This is a girl. This is a girl. Girl, 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 girl. And it has a gloves, 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 gloves. This is a glass, glass, glass. This is a glass. This is a glass. This is a glass. Garlic, 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 garlic. Which vegetable is growing? Garlic, garlic, garlic. Got, garlic, curd, glass, glove. got, garlic, girl, glass, glove. Now kids, tell me, which animal can you see? Got, got. Which vegetable is growing? Garlic, garlic. Who is growing this vegetable? Girl, girl, girl. Now the second work is word to learn. Word to learn. Word to learn. Got, garlic, girl, glass, gloves. Got, garlic, girl, glass, gloves. The got, garlic, girl, glass, gloves has beginning sound, and the beginning sound is g, 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 g. Letter G sound g, and it is letter G. Letter G. Letter G sound g. Capital letter, small letter. Capital letter, small letter. Capital letter G, small letter G. Now the second work is trace. Capital letter G. Small letter G. Sound G. 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 Now kids, the page number 17 is done. Now move on next page. Page number 18. Page number 18 and our unit is 9, alphabet. H, alphabet H. H sound H sound capital H, small letter H. Capital H, small letter H. Now kids, look at the picture and tell me, what is this? Hen, hen, hen. This is a hen, 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 hen. This is a horse, 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 and hen is animal. Hen, hen, horse. This is a helicopter, helicopter, helicopter. House, hut, hut. This is a hut. This is a hut, hut, hut. This is a hammer, hammer, hammer. Helicopter, horse, hen, hut, hammer. Helicopter, horse, hen, hut, hammer. Now kids, tell me, what is the flying in the air? Helicopter. What is the flying in the air? Helicopter. Which animal can be seen in the picture? Horse, hen. Which is the animal can be seen in the picture? Horse, hen. Now the second work is word to learn. Word to learn. Hammer, hammer. Helicopter, helicopter, helicopter. Hen, hen, hen. Hut, hut, hut. Horse, 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 horse. Hammer, helicopter, hen, hut, horse has beginning sound, and the beginning sound is letter H sound, letter H sound. and it is letter H sound, letter H sound, capital letter, small letter, capital letter, small letter, letter H sound, letter H sound, capital letter, small letter, capital letter H, small letter H. Letter H sound, letter H sound, letter H sound, letter H sound, capital letter, small letter, capital letter, small letter, capital letter, small letter, capital letter, small letter, letter H sound, 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 sound. Well done. Dear kids, now page number 18 is done. Now move on next page. The next page is page number 19. Page number 19, unit number 10, and our topic is alphabet I, sound E. Letter I, sound E. E. Capital letter I, small letter I. Capital letter I, small letter I. Now look at the picture. This is a girl, this is a boy. Ice cream, ice cream, ice cream, ice cream. Insert ink, 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 ice, 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 iron, iron, ice cream, insert ink, ice, iron. Now kids, tell me, what is the girl eating? Ice cream, ice cream, ice cream. And what is on the book? Insert, 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 ice cream, insert ink, ice, iron. Now the second work is word to learn. Words to learn. Ice cream, ice, ink pot, insert, iron. The ice cream, ice, ink pot, insert, iron has beginning sound. And the beginning sound is E. 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 Ice cream, ice, ink pot, insert, iron. Letter I, sound E. And this is letter I. I. Capital I, small letter I. Capital I, small letter I. Capital letter I, small letter I. Capital letter I, small letter I. Capital letter I, small letter I. And sound E. Sound E. Capital I, small I. Capital letter I, small letter 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 I. Now kids, the page number 19 is done. I hope you enjoy this book. Okay kids, Allah Hafiz.
वीडियो पसंद आई तो लाइक करें, अपनी राय कमेंट करें। ऐसे ही मजीद वीडियोस के लिए हमारा चैनल सब्सक्राइब करें और बेल का आइकन दबाएं ताकि आपको हर वीडियो का नोटिफिकेशन मिलता रहे।